Okay, approximate a slope of a line, a slope of the line of best fit. Okay, so you got a scatter plot here. I mean, you can't draw a line and expect it to be straight through all the points. So what you do is just draw a trend line. Okay, goes through the points. So it's trending in a positive direction. So the slope of that line's positive. Now remember what a slope is. It's rise over run. Okay, of the line. It's a ratio. Now I'm going to pick 2 points that my line's close to. I'll pick this one right here. Zoom the camera in. And then I'll pick this one here. Okay, so now I'm going to label those coordinate points X, Y. So that looks like we're at a 60 on X. And now it's between the 300 and the 400. Pick something in between, but it'd be closer to the 400, so 360. 60, 360. Okay, now let's label this one. That's above 100. And then this one's kind of smack dab in the middle between 600 and 700, so it'd be 650. That's exactly halfway. Okay, and then I'm just going to use my y minus y, x minus x formula, because remember, it's rise over run. So the change in the y coordinates are your rise, okay, up, down, because remember, this is the y, this is the x, and the run is this one. So I'll start with my higher x, 60, and put 360 over it. Then I'll go 100. Or no, shoot, I said start with the higher x. My bad, that made no sense. Higher x is 100, so it'd be 650 over 100. That'd be 60 over 360. Okay, so 100 minus 60 is 40. 650 minus 360 is going to be 290. Okay, now reduce that. One thing, if you have a 0 over 0, you can take that off, and it's just 29 over 4, because 29 divided by 4 is a decimal, but we kind of like our slopes and fractions, so yeah, it's 7 1/4, but you want to keep that just 29/4. You want it improper, 29/4. Okay, next problem. Now, obviously, you're not going to be able to, it's a positive trend line, so you just go here with the points. It trends positive. Now, there's a time where it goes down, but by and large, it goes up, okay? So I want to find the slope of the line, okay? So I'm going to pick 2 points close to my line, okay? I'll pick this one. It doesn't have to be on the line, it just has to be close, and I'll pick this one. I mean, that trend's positive, okay? If our line's going up, we want it to trend positive, okay? So this point here, that's 100. And look across, it's between 100 and 150. Just put 125. Okay. You can put 120 if you want. Just pick something in between the two. Remember, it's estimating, not finding exact. Okay, so this one here, that's going to be 260, okay? Then across from there, between here and here, you can just put 325 again. Okay, it doesn't have to be exactly on the money precise. Y minus y, x minus x. Okay, so the higher x is 260, so I'll put 325 over 260. Then I'll put 125 over 100, so that gives me 200 over 160, okay? Cross those out, 20 over 16, okay? I got a decimal, so usually they want that in fraction form. So it's 1 1/4, but usually fractions are improper, so we put the 4 down. And we take the whole number 1 and we take 1 times 4 and then we add 1. You're making the mixed number into an improper fraction, so it'd be 5/4. Means every time it goes up 5, it increases by 4. Okay, next one. Now the line's going to trend down. That's fine. Okay, so I should expect the slope to be negative. Okay, so I picked 2. I'll pick this one, and I'll go with this one. So this coordinate right here, that's 10 and be about 52. because 50 to 55, about 52. Pick something, okay? Different people will get different answers on this. So 80, and then between 5 and 10, we'll go with 6 or 7. Okay, let's go 7. Okay, so I start with my higher x. Okay, I'd put the 7 over the 80. You can do that. And then you're going to put your 10, okay, over the 52. Okay, again, y minus y, x minus x. So 7 over 50 before the minus, and then 52 over 10 after. 7 minus 52 is negative 45, and 80 minus 10 is going to be 70. So negative 45 divided by 70, I don't like that. Second PRB, that would be negative 9/14. Okay, would be the approximation best fit. Means every time this drops 9, this would go over, increase by 14. Anytime the x increases 14, the y drops by a value of 9.